Tata Motors has announced that it will launch the all-new Harrier SUV in India on January 23, 2019. It will be available with only one diesel engine and it will have a 6-speed manual gearbox. It will also be available in 4 variants: XE, XM, XT and XZ. The SUV is based on the newly developed OMEGARC platform. The new modular architecture is a derivative of Land Rover D8 platform and has been designed to optimize rear seat legroom on the SUV. The Harrier comes with a ton of features and will rival the likes of the Jeep Compass, the Hyundai CRETA and even the Renault CAPTUR. Mahindra dealers in some of the metropolitan cities have started accepting bookings for the upcoming XUV300 subcompact SUV. Carandbike has reached out to some of the Mahindra dealers in Mumbai and Delhi NCR region who are taking bookings for the XUV300 and have promised to prioritize deliveries. However, official bookings for the car will start from January 2019. The XUV will get both the petrol and diesel powertrains, but sadly will not get an automatic variant at the time of launch. Jawa Motorcycles has announced that its motorcycles are now sold out till September 2019 thanks to a massive number of bookings received online. Without disclosing the booking numbers received, Jawa did confirm that deliveries for the Jawa and Jawa 42 will commence by March next year, while all 105 dealerships will be operational by February 15, 2019. As a result of the overwhelming response, Jawa Motorcycles will close online bookings on December 25, 2018, effective midnight. Bookings at the dealership, though, will continue. The company will connect with every customer directly from here on about their delivery timeline, while production is being ramped up to reduce the waiting period.
So if you love our videos, you've got to give us more power to bring you even more. And to do that, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button.